In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put bullet points in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself typing dashes or asterisks to fake bullet points, this is going to save you time and make your sheets look cleaner and more professional. First, open your spreadsheet and double-click into the cell where you want the bullet. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the blinking text cursor inside the cell. Now, here's the shortcut that does the magic. On a Mac, press Option plus 8. On a PC, press Alt plus 7, and make sure you're using the 7 on the numeric keypad. Instantly, you'll see a perfectly round bullet appear in the cell, ready for your text. If nothing happens on a PC, double-check that numlock is on and that you're pressing the 7 on the number pad, not the number row. Once you've got your first bullet, you can fill it down an entire list in seconds. Click the cell with the bullet. Then hover over the lower corner until you see the tiny fill handle, often shown as a small circle. Click and drag it down the column. As you drag, Google Sheets copies that bullet into each cell you pass over. Release the mouse, and your column is now prepped with clean bullets. Click next to any bullet and start typing your list items. This method keeps everything consistent and saves you from inserting each bullet manually. What if you need multiple bullet points inside the same cell, like a small list within a single row? Keep the cursor at the end of your first bullet, then press Alt plus Enter to insert a new line right inside the cell. You'll drop to a fresh line underneath, still within that same cell. From here, you can either copy and paste the bullet you already made, or simply use the same shortcut again. On a PC, press Alt plus 7 on the number pad. On a Mac, press Option plus 8. Type your text and repeat Alt plus Enter for each additional bullet you want. As you add lines, Sheets will keep them stacked neatly within that cell, and that's all there is to it. Double-click to edit, use Option plus I8 on a Mac or Alt plus 7 on a PC to create bullets, drag the fill handle to duplicate them down a column, and use Alt plus Enter to add more bullets inside one cell. Simple, fast, and clean.